started shooting it yesterday 9 p.m.
Okay. And
the rains really ruined it for us. And other things as well, the car wasn't
police
working,
come.
the battery was low, and our lead female, she just walked out at the last moment. And
so did you end up acting?
Huh?
Did you end up acting yourself?
No, not
Okay.
at all. Don't worry. Yeah, then we had these cop problems as well. And what other things?
Yeah, I'm really glad, to experience that, just came to India and being part of AP 48 hours project. So yeah, it was really fun and nice experience.
I think the first time when we were doing it, the first 2 times also we were all always early finishing up the concept and shooting everything. And it was mostly the technical things that that was the problem. This time somehow we didn't have many technical issues, though we started shooting with one camera and then we realized that okay, we can't do it, there's some problem, then we shifted to another one. Then finally, somehow on Saturday afternoon we decided that we'll shoot with both of them to be safe.
And the best part was it's a challenge to make a film in 48 hours, and we had lots of fun making it. And what I liked most was our film actually then started with with story actually. We started thinking of few abstract shots, and then finally at the end of the day we compiled it into a story and on the editing table, and that was really nice.
Oh, that's a very different way of making a film.
Approach.
That's a new approach. Please.
I'm parked illegally. Hang on a second.
Okay, what?
So how was the experience?
It was amazing. It was a lot of fun.
Louder.
And we haven't slept since 48 hours, obviously. But yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Huh?
The winner look.
Winner look.
The romance look.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong camera. And me too, all the time.
Back up. Well, it went very, very well, and this time we were a lot more relaxed. Luckily, because of the last 2 times, we were able to calculate our timings and all very well. So we were actually done at 3 in the afternoon today.
Oh, sorry.
But we thought that you guys were not going to get here by 6, so we took some time, got some rest, and then came in very
You slept when you came.
Absolutely.
We took a bath, guys.
Yeah, we took a bath. But we didn't want to stink the place up.
Cool.
And a very interesting genre we got, dark comedy. First we were wondering what to do with it. Almost up to midnight on 2nd we were busy sorting out various ideas and all that. Yesterday also till 2 p.m. we were busy sorting out various options before us. Then we fixed one, and within 6 hours we completed the shooting part. And today entire day is editing, and it's a great experience.
So some tension.
My heart is just, junkyard. And last minute technical hookups. Seriously. My
Heart is beating fast.
skipped all weeks actually.
So do you think you'll make it on time?
Yeah, I hope so.
Louder.
I hope so. Where are they? They just left Patel Nagar, I think we just took 45 minutes by car. They're coming by bike, so we hope they reach faster.
Do they have energy to run up the steps?
Yes.
The filmmaker, Ankur. Hello. So how did you manage?
I sort of made a plan, so I managed to write.
And were you happy with the final genre you got, or you were?
Not very happy with the genre because
Why didn't you go for Wildcard?
it was okay. Horror was fine.
Why were you not happy with the genre?
I mean,
The filmmaker horror is a
I
horror.
would have liked, say, detective or something fun, more fun. Horror was more of a serious kind of. Oh, we actually tried to get the security costume by exchanging it with one of the T-shirts of 48-hour film project.
All the systems should do away with the rendering part in making a film. That's the biggest, that was the biggest scrap in making a film. Rendering thing. But it was fun though, wild fun.
This is going to be a good experience for everyone. Okay. 48 hours is crazily good. Awesome.
And yeah, you know what? One more thing. I think we should build, a more audience base for the short films in India, and more such festivals should come up, and everyone should create at least one short film once a month.
All the best, guys.
Thank you.
Well, when it's 2 days, then we don't see challenges because no one will say anything. They'll just work out on their own. They just try to be perfect in whatever fields. Yeah, 48-hour rocks. We are gonna participate the coming year, and everybody should participate.
We had many technical problems and logistic problems and actor problems and people falling asleep like me. I slept not during the shoot but writing the script and everything. But it was so much fun. I'll do it again because obviously I need to win the prize, which is not going to happen this time.
The film's on the way. Please come, Ollie. Are your team members on their way?
Yes, they are.
Do you think they'll be on time?
Stuck in traffic. Yeah, I'm hoping. I'm calling.
Where have they reached?
They are on their way from Panchsheel, so I'm hoping.
Panchsheel is where? Okay. How far from here?
Not very far. It's like 15-minute drive.
You spoke to them, right? Where have they reached?
It's Delhi, so they tend to say, oh, we are 3 minutes away. Oh, we are just parking.
So are you nervous? Okay, we have a team who's rendering now. This is the fun part of it. I'm going to zoom and they're rendering and this is says 46 minutes.
Clock also, na?
And the time actually is, so they have just 20 minutes to render the file. We have, what's your name? Yashank in full tension and that includes me also. Yashank, will you make it on time?
Yeah, of course I'm going to make it.
It's gone down 45 minutes, don't worry, you will make it on time. Just keep your paper mug ready. Give me your bite. Are you nervous?
Really well. Like, I'm verbally dyslexic right now, but everything actually went really well. This is just a software problem.
Why are you using a Dell laptop which is just about my config core? It's i7.
It's i7. Do you expect that to happen?
Why you're not using an i7? Okay.
I've rendered bloody, I don't know how many movies off this thing, yeah?
I'm beginning to draw when I don't know how to draw.
And look who's here. Star yaar, Kalakar, finally.
Just the same team last time, so knew what I was getting into, so had prepared.
But you got filmed a film. No.
No, then I changed it to
time travel. Time travel. Time travel is interesting, John. I just wish कुछ अलग किया हो. Time travel with comedy or time travel?
Comedy, obviously. Even if you're.
Okay, what are you guys doing? Ah, okay. Finally. हो गया? On हो रहा है? It's on time. Say your team has arrived finally.
Finally they've arrived.
Congrats. Pat your backs, yeah. You managed on time. Their team was still rendering the file there.
Are you serious?
Yeah, they're having technical issues. Come. You can make a line here.
5 मिनट है यार, ये हुआ नहीं. आप प्रीमियम लो ना उनसे.
मैं ऐसे बोल देती हूँ 48 आवर फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट का टाइम इससे ट्रिपल होना चाहिए. सॉरी गाइस, आवाज गई और बहुत बुरी हालत हुई है. कुछ सेंसेस में नहीं.
मेडिकल लीव ये सब काउंट कर लो यार. अन्ना ज़ारे भी काउंट करेगा. समथिंग लाइक दैट कैन बी डन.